Welcome to the Tiny Tutor! Who am I?
You're the Tiny Tutor.
Why am I called the Tiny Tutor?
Because you're tiny and you used to tutor.
I am indeed tiny. In fact, I'm 4'11" and a half. I also tutored other people's kids for over 20 years, and I am taking the proven strategies with all of those kids and now using them on my own kids.
I'm Mackenzie. You can call me Mac. I'm Huck.
What is the Tiny Tutor? The Tiny Tutor is a home learning system that guides parents and caregivers on supporting their kids' critical early math and reading development at home. It's the tools, the strategies, the tips, the lesson plans, the curriculum, all the materials delivered to you, to your doorstep with the entertaining and educational video tutorials that show you how to use all of it.
Who's this for, Mommy?
Good question, Hucky! It's for roughly our kids ages 2 to about 9. We start at the pre-K kinder level and we go up to about 3rd grade. But here at the Tiny Tutor, we like to use the following words. Emergent learners, which are our pre-K kinder learners, roughly 2 to 5. Our early learners, which is about 5 to 6 years old or 1st grade. Our experienced learners, which is about 6 to 7 years old or 2nd grade. And then finally our fluent learners, which is about 8 to 9 years old or 3rd grade. You can find us at thetinytutor.com. You can also use the link in our Instagram bio. You can also find us on Facebook at The Tiny Tutor.
When do you do these lessons?
Tiny bits done more often are far more effective and fun. We like to say about 5 to 10 minutes a day, 5 days a week. Maybe 10 to 15 minutes a day, 3 to 4 times a week. Or for our experienced or fluent, slightly older learners, maybe 15 to 20 minutes a day, 2 to 3 times a week. So how does it all work? It's super simple. Every one of our boxes contains 4 tutorials. A tutorial lasts roughly a week. So it is about a month of learning resources. You may move through it faster or slower, and whatever works for you and your kid. We also offer both reading and math weekly tutorials, and that's for all 4 levels: emergent, early, experienced, and fluent.
Why did you start this, Mom?
One of the biggest things I learned is that it's all about confidence, and it starts early, earlier than we think. We can empower them to be lifelong learners, and we're doing it in the place where they're most comfortable, at home. But really, I'm coming at this as a super busy parent like the rest of us, who doesn't want to sacrifice meaningful time at home with my kids that I can't ever get back. I'm doing this with my kids, for my kids, for all the kids out there, and for all of you caregivers, to let you know you can teach. I want to make all of you feel massively confident about teaching, so your kids can feel massively confident about learning. Massively confident about learning!
Massively confident about learning.
And the tiny steps we take really do have big effects.
Tiny steps have big effects. Tiny steps have big effects.